SB19, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. SB19, walang makakapigil. Tuloy-tuloy ang pagbigyan ng hint tungkol sa GOAT, greatest of all time. Sabi sa kanilang caption, sa kanilang Instagram post, our next chapter knows no borders. From the Philippines to the world, our climb continues. Or the climb continues. Be proud 18, tuloy-tuloy ang pag-akyat ng ating mahalima, pamuntang taas at tagumpay patungong greatest of all time. Ano kaya ito? Ang daming haka-haka at espekulasyon ang 18 about this. Pwedeng magkaroon ng American music level ang ating SB19 katulad ng Blackpink at BTS at makapag-perform sa main stage ng Grammy sa Amerika, kaya abangan natin kung ano pa ang paparating at pasabog ng ating mahalima.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise